date. I am Renu Kwonu Yaposa Memi Omumu Sir Robert Academy TV. Memi Abunki Sir Robert onye nkuzi preach na akuzi business studies na literature in English no Godielu. Uzo osi akuzi na-enyere ụmụ akwụkwọ nweta nnukwu ihe ịga nkọma na akwụkwọ. Anyị na-akpọ ụmụ akwụkwọ ndị nne na nna na ọha mmadụ ka ha soro mmemme ọmụmụ Sir Robert na YouTube channel nke Circuit maka ozi ndị ọzọ biko kpọkọrọ Sir Robert site na nọmba ekwentị ndị a 2255-611 Sir Robert Academy TV Dona Urambo District, Tabora Region, Tanzania.
The definition of art, and we have said is the product of human creativity. There are some examples of art. What are some of the examples of art? That is Gideon singing. Another example. Do we have regularity?
Another example of art is the drawing.
Another example of art. Another example of art. Fatuma. Sculpturing. Another example of art. What's the name of this one? Constantino Petro. Another example of art. Sculpturing. Already mentioned. Do we have Makilina today? Poetry. Now, after we have looked at these examples, any other? Jenny Matthias? Painting. Do we have any other? Yes. This is Cecilia. Do we have any other? No. Okay. Let us now explain these examples one by one. Examples of what? Singing. Singing is simply producing musical sounds with the human voices. That is what we call singing. Drawing. When we look at drawing is just making pictures using a pencil, a pen, or charcoal. That is drawing. Sculpturing simply means molding or shaping objects from from materials such as wood, clay, and stone. That is sculpturing. Molding or shaping objects. That is what we call sculpturing. Let us first look at painting, ladies and gentlemen. Painting is just creating images by using colors. It can be watercolor or painting color. The ones that you famously call it oil color. That is painting. Weaving, we are here. Making clothes or baskets by interesting threads. Are we together? Yes. Or fibers. That is what we call weaving. Are we together? Yes. Now we go to poetry. Poetry is a creative writing that expresses the feelings and emotions using rhythmic and figurative language. Are we together? Yes. That is what we call poetry. Now, remember in our definition, we said that literature is a work of art that uses language creatively to reflect social realities. We gave examples of the social realities. And the poetry now belongs to literature. Now, if poetry belongs to literature, this means that our definition is now complete. And we are right now to say that literature is a work of art that uses language creatively. Because we said creative writing that uses language to express feelings and emotions. We are now here. And we said to reflect the society. To reflect the society means that you are scanning the society. You are scanning the society and pick out what is exactly happening. Are we together? Yes. Therefore, poetry belongs to literature. That is our work of art. Ladies and gentlemen, that is our definition of Excuse me. What's the problem? Mema, Pendo, why are you taking Mema's water?
I want to drink.
But you don't take it by force like that. Now, see students, when we are in a class, we learn manners, we learn discipline. When we are learning discipline, it includes also respecting someone's property. Are we together? Yes. When you are respecting someone's property, it also includes or inquiring you to first ask for something that you want to take. You don't just confiscate like that. So I don't bless the situation that has just happened or that habit that has just happened. Pendo and Nema, may you apologize to Nema and the country.
Nema, yes, sir.